Perfect. How's it going? So we have our all-new XP10 Founders Edition right here. This is a limited edition kit. Comes in that beautiful case over there, and it comes exactly how you're seeing it here. So out of the box, you get your serial number on the slider. The transmission is serial numbered as well. You get a gold transmission, gold fairleads front and rear. You also get a gold servo horn. You're getting the brass portal boxes and portal covers. In the front end, you're getting overdrive, all of this out of the box. You also get your own personalized gift certificate with 20% off your next order. So that way you can get any servos, winches, wheels, tires, everything to fill it off. This truck out of the box is amazing. Wyatt just took his truck, bone stock just like this, one rolls with it, no changes at all, just threw his stuff in it and took care of it. We have 250 of them available. They're going quick, so if you guys are looking for them, hop on the website now and get them. We got a 7-degree angled skid, smaller track width than anybody on the market as far as the skid's concerned. You're able to run a full-size all-in-one, and it doesn't get in the way of the servo. It's a nice thing for a lot of these comp trucks aren't able to do that. All new axle design, 60 degrees of steering. I mean, guys, what are we talking about? We're making drift cars, we're making crawlers here. Also, the axle's got a new locker design, so it's got a through shaft all the way across, and the locker actually pins into the shaft, so it eliminates that slop in the middle. So it's much better. We have overdrive gears in this already, but we have overdrive gears available to purchase. So you can get up to 30% overdrive. This setup right now is at 25% overdrive. We're also making a deal with Bradley Fine Line Designs. As you can see, this beautiful body here. He's offering this scheme to anybody who picks up one of these can get a body painted from him, and only if you have one of these in the XP10 Founders Edition. There's going to be like 10 colors available, so you can get it to match the teams and get your own color. So that way you're on the trail, you can kind of flex on your friends. I should have mentioned Wyatt won World Championship with it. I said that, right?
Yeah, you
did
did
say that. Okay. Yeah, nice little plaque there.